Hi guys, it's Jamie here, and I'm going to show you a super quick, the quickest I've ever come across, double pocket. Before I do that, if you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up because it means more other people get to see the video. If you're not already, consider subscribing. I do 3 to 5 videos a week, depending on my time allowances. And I do videos on junk journaling, ephemera making, art journaling, and even modern day planning. So there's always a choice available. And leave me a comment as to what you think about this super quick project. Taking a quick look at this, you've got 2 pockets. This is an old book page. You've got one at the back, and they're reasonably substantial, as you can see, and one at the front, and they zigzag. So they're kind of cute looking as well. And all I've done is make them out a book page, decorate a bit of the book page, and then shove some tags in that I already had. So that will be going into my daughter's Gothic horror journal, and I will show you how to make it. You simply fold this edge to here, fold down to the meeting point, and this reminds me of being back at school, to be honest. If you don't get it perfect, you can always trim up bits. Yep. Turn it over and then fold this corner over to here, so that makes the back that you're going to glue into your journal, and that is your double pocket. You just need to do some sticking and gluing now, and inking edges or whatever else you want to do. So you would have a pocket here, which means that you need to glue down this edge. I'm just going to show you without doing the inking and the decorating. Normally I do that prior. And then on this pocket, that second pocket, it's going to be bottom edge again, and the side edge, the thicker side edge, leaving the top open. And that is your basic pocket. Ta-da! I felt like doing that. Okay, that was it. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.